Our next awardee is the president of Kamanava Press Corps, Mr. Arlie O. Calalo. Arlie Orteza Calalo is a seasoned journalist with roles as a reporter for the Manila Times.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele, given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys.
You know, I'm so honored to receiving this award again for the third time maybe. Yeah, for sure, it's third time in a row. That's why I'm so thankful sa Public Attorney's Office sa inyo. Siyempre, kay Pau Chief, Attorney Persida Rueda Acosta, the most admired, the lady who is most admired, well-loved by many, and then as such, multi-awarded public servant. Yeah. Kung tutusin, Attorney Persida could clinch a place in the Guinness World of Record. Ano yun? For obtaining or receiving over dozens of awards in just a year time, di ba? So that's amazing, that's spectacular, di ba? That only shows na she's well-loved by many. That only shows na yung mga nagbibigay sa kanya nag-awards sa kanya is they just wanted to be associated with her. They just wanted to be close to her. And before I forget, I'd like to greet Pau Chief, although it's belated. Happiest birthday, like many others' wishes. A happier, longer, and stronger life ahead. Kasi Chief, marami ka pang tutulungan, nakapuspalad, yung mga salat sa karunungan at salat sa buhay. At siyempre kayo, thank you. Thank you, the country's top public defenders. Actually, idol ko kayo, kaya lagi ko kayo sinusulat. Okay? Kayo yung bagong henerasyon ng tunay na tagapagtanggol ng masang Pilipino. You are really great. Ang galing, ang galing. I'd like to take this opportunity, of course, to thank my Manila Times family. Primarily yung aming Chairman Emeritus, si Dr. Ayang. Of course, alam ko, kanina awarded rin yung aming boss, si Sir Boss Klink, Sir Dante Ang II. He is the publisher, the President and Chief Executive Officer. Of course, the Editorial Board of the Manila Times. And hindi ko dapat makalimutan, may two equally superb and yet napakabait, magagaling na managing editor si Miss Lynette Luna and si Miss Lina Calso. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung isa kong family, yung Tabloid Remate, kung saan I'm regularly writing my English column entitled Good Riddance. Okay, the main man is Boss Benedict Antiporda, my former colleague at the National Press Club, now the Editor-in-Chief, Miss Lydia Bueno, and syempre my contemporary, Miss Leia Botones, the Opinion Editor. I share this award with them. This for them. In many years na nagsusulat ako ng articles, stories sa aking beat, especially sa PAW, I have personally witnessed your sacrifices, your devotion in your job. Kaya nga, masasabi ko, ibang-iba na yung PAW ngayon. Sobra nyo at tunay nyong binago ang mukha ng Public Attorney's Office. Sobra. Yes, that's true. No doubt, kung bakit a few years back sa social weather station, you emerged as the most trustworthy professionals among the professionals in the justice sector, di ba? Well, it follows then the PAW being at the topmost, besting other agencies in the justice sector. Palakpak naman natin dyan. At nung isang araw, I know si Justice Secretary Boying Remulla, he spoke before you, and then I heard him describing you as the busiest and yet the sharpest among other lawyers in the country. Di ba? And I agree with that. Bakit? Kasi alam ko 24/7 kayo nagtatrabaho. Okay? Umaraw man at bumagyo, abutin man kayo na magdamag, and yet palaban kayo. Along the way, lalo nyong napalakas ang inyong kaalamang legal. At the same time, siyempre, yung serbisyo publiko. It's amazing. And then, you're really great. You're really great. At this juncture, I'd like to take this grand moment to honor you, to pay respect to you in my own humble little way. Hayaan nyo akong makapagbigay-pugay sa inyo. Hayaan nyong saluduhan ko kayo bilang pasasalamat at paghanga sa inyo. Chip. Thank you, love you, and God bless us all.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Reporter, Mr. Arlie O. Calalo.